key level. Okay. Are you seeing it? So there are key levels I did not mention because I need you guys to point them out. There is another one here. There is another key level right here. Not only there is one here, and this one cover for the two. Are you seeing it? So these are the key levels you are watching out from. Right? These are the key levels you are watching out from. So once you've gotten these key levels, all you need to do is wait for price to give you a sell formation. Now, all I teach you here is market structure and time frame alignment. Daily is bearish and price is reacting from key level. What do? You drop down to 4 hours. On dropping to 4 hours, what do we do next? Who can tell me? On dropping down to 4 hours, what do we do next? We clear our chart. Yes, we clear our chart. Then after clearing our chart, we do what? We take note of the key level. Remember, price is already at the key level. So we take note of the key level. This is it. So the next thing we want to do, someone said, find key level, wait for formation. Some people go still need hard English. Are you seeing it? This is it. Remember, one thing I teach you guys is market structure and time frame alignment. Market structure and time frame alignment. Daily is what? Bearish. This is daily structure right here. Daily is what? Bearish. This is the structure right here on daily, right? Now, price is reacting from a key level on daily, which is this. Okay, now as price is reacting at that level, we need 4 hours to give us the same direction. That is why it's called time frame alignment. If daily is bearish, we need 4 hours also to be what? Bearish, as price have tapped that key level. All right, as price have tapped that key level. Are you seeing it? So we need 4 hours to be what? Bearish also. This is how you get high probability setup. If daily is bearish and price have come to the key level of daily, we need 4 hours to be bearish also. So what do? We check for the direction of 4 hours. Are you seeing it? Now guys, what is the direction of 4 hours? What is the direction right now on 4 hours? These things are things you must learn to do. Time frame alignment. Are you seeing it? 4 hours is bullish. 4 hours is what? Bullish. And what are we looking for? We are looking for what? A sell formation, because this is daily key level. But because 4 hours is bullish, we cannot. Okay, let me ask you guys. Is it the right time to sell now or buy? What would you want to do at this point? Would you want to sell or buy at this point? Because this is the problem. This is the problem. Price is already at key level, which we can see right now on daily key level. Daily is bearish and price is at daily key level. What do we do next? We drop to 4 hours. We need 4 hours and daily to be saying the same thing the moment price is at daily key level. But now on 4 hours, 4 hours is still bullish. It simply means that this daily formation cannot be traded yet. We cannot sell on daily. We cannot sell on daily until this 4 hour structure here turn bearish. That is what we call time frame alignment. So what do? Better still, we wait. We wait till we get what? A candle close below this level. That is what we should do. By doing that, you are waiting for what? Time frame alignment. It's that simple. If this market closes below this low here now, it's a sign that the price is ready to go down to the whole of this low right here. Are you seeing it? The minute we get a sell formation here, that is a sign that this market is ready to go down. Okay, so this thing is simple. You don't need too much grammar. You don't need too much grammar. You need to understand the basics, which is time frame alignment. If daily is saying sell and price it is at daily key level, you need 4 hours to tell you what? Sell. After 4 hours I've given you sell, that is where you can now drop down to 15 minutes to look for a sell. Someone say we have fair value gap before the low. What is it even saying, sir? We have fair value gap before. What happened to the fair value gap? We are saying we want to see market structure shift. We want this buy to turn towards sell. It means that this structure has to shift. Which one? What has fair value gap got to do with the structure I'm trying to explain right now? I beg, make una no make me kolo. It's too early. I beg una with the name of God. All right, so that is it, my people. That is it. Now let's venture into DXY. Let me show you also the same thing. Let's also analyze DXY again. Now guys, if today and I won't laugh me die. If today is the first time you are coming to my life, right now, this is one of the best community on TikTok where we take our time to do top-down analysis using market structure and time frame alignment. If daily is saying sell, we want 4 hours to tell us sell at the key level of daily before we start looking for what? Entry formation. So that is what we call time frame alignment. Daily and 4 hours saying the same thing. If these two time frames are telling us the same thing, it means that we are going to get a high probability setup going to that same direction. But if daily is saying sell and 4 hours is saying buy, it means that two things is happening. 4 hours could be doing pullback to daily key level. So the minute 4 hours gets to daily key level, we want to see what? Time frame alignment. Now follow right now and see what is about to happen. So if you are getting value from what I'm doing right now, make sure you click on follow, because you might not see me again on your FYP. I think that's what the guy is trying to see. What is the guy trying to see? All right, so let's analyze the XY so that we too can see what is happening here. Let's analyze the XY. All right, first thing first, what do we do first if we want to analyze the XY? Because if the XY tells us buy from here, it's a sign that Euro USD is going to sell. Right, so to analyze the XY, what do we do next? Thank you. So first thing first is clearing our chart. We want to clear our chart so that we can see clearly what price is doing. So that we can see clearly where price is coming from and where price is going. Now, after clearing our chart, what do we do next? Anybody? Okay, someone said, I'm trying to say that the market may reverse from the fair value gap before the low. Whether market reverse may not reverse, follow structure. Follow structure. Follow structure. That is the point. Follow the structure. That is the most important thing. That market is not bearish until that low has been taken out with a candle close. That is the simple rules. Don't overthink it and don't overcomplicate it. When you try to add those too many things, that is where you make error. All right. So the next thing we do is what? Drop to daily time frame. Right? On dropping to daily time frame, what do we do next? Anybody? On dropping to daily time frame, what do we do after dropping to daily time frame? Thank you. We determine the direction of the market. We check for the direction of the market. Guys, this thing is actually easy. See the last sell here. Price took out this high, close this low, right? By closing above this high, it means that we've gotten market structure shift. Price did a pullback and took out this high again, giving us a new high. With this alone, it means that the market is what? What is the market? Bullish or bearish? What is the market right now? Thank you. So with this in mind, it simply means that the market is bullish. All right. So what do? We mark the low, right? Swing low. We mark the high, swing high. We mark the breakout. Are you seeing it? Now, what do we call this market? Market recently swing range. Oyibo. What do we call this high right here? Aristo, thank you. This is what? Break of structure, BOS. Now, with this, we can see our direction clearly. This is our high, this is our low, and this is what? Our breakout. Guys, nobody does this better than how we do it here. Nobody, no community can give you what we give ourselves here. No community. Are you seeing it? So the next thing we do now, what do we do next? We have found our direction. On 4 hours, the main structure is bullish. This is our swing high, which is the weak high. This is the swing low. This is the strong low. And this is the breakout. The whole of this move is called what? Thank you. The next thing we spot out is called key levels. Now, what do we call the whole of these moves? I've taught you guys these things severally. What do we call the whole of these moves? Thank you. The whole of these moves are called eternal structure. They are called eternal structure. This is where a lot of traders get confused. The whole of this move right here is a pullback. And this pullback came with structure. After breaking this high, it means that price has continued to the bullish direction. So what do we do next? We start marking the key levels. That is how key levels come about or came about. All right, so this is it. This one here now is the low. Is the eternal push that gave us what? The breakout. Now, what do we call that eternal push that gave us the breakout? What do we call it? This was the push that gave us what? The breakout. There is a name we call it. Because this push is also important. This structure that gave us the breakout is also important. Thank you. It is called flip zone. Because it is the eternal push that gave us the breakout. All right. Now, after this, what do? We mark the next one. This is the next one here. Where again? This is the extreme one. Now, between 1, 2, 3, which one is the strongest? Which one is the strongest of the key level? Which one is holding the structure? Which one is holding the structure? 1, 2, 3. Which one is the strongest among all of them? Now, are you saying this? Some people are still saying one, some are saying two. Now, listen, because this structure is bullish, this is the strongest of them all. The minute we get a candle close up below this low, it means that the markets have changed direction. It means the market have changed direction. But so long as price can use this one, reject, use this one, reject. But you see this one here, this is the one holding this market because it is the lowest. And this is where the last buyers are going to come in. This is where the last buyers are going to come in. So price is expected to take off from here. If 1, 2 does not hold, this is the strongest of them all. Are you seeing it? Now, we've been able to sort out our key level. Now, remember what I said. For daily is bullish, right? And now, price is at key level, which is daily key level. What do we do next? Anybody? Which is flip zone. Thank you. What do we do next? Who can tell me what to do? Sacred silence. Thank you. 4 hour. 4 hour. We drop to 4 hour. Now, on dropping to 4 hour, what do we do? Remember, daily is bullish and price is reacting at daily key level. On dropping to 4 hour, what do we want to do? Thank you. First thing first, clear the chart. All right. After clearing the chart, we mark what? The key level, because this is a key level where daily is reacting from. Right now, what do we want to see from 4 hour? What do we want to see on 4 hours? Anybody? First thing first, we want to find the direction of 4 hour. Thank you. So immediately price tap 4 hour key level, we start observing the structure. Right? We start observing the structure right there. Forget all these ones. We no longer need them. Listen again. Forget all these movements here. We no longer need them. All we need is right here where price have already touched the key level. We want to see the 4 hour structure that take price to that level. So this is it. The next thing we do is what? Identify the high. This is your swing high. Identify the low. This is your swing low. Identify the breakout. This is the breakout. Now with this, we have gotten our direction on 4 hours. Guys, what is our direction right here on 4 hours? Sacred silence. Thank you. This is our direction. Our direction right here is bearish. Now, our direction right here is bearish, but this 4 hour time frame is reacting from daily key level. Is reacting from daily key level. Would you want to sell or buy from here? Simple question. Would you want to sell or buy from here? Knowing fully well that price is reacting from a daily key level. Are you seeing it? So the best thing is to wait. You don't buy, you don't sell, you wait. Why are you waiting? You want to know if this key level is going to hold. Remember what we are training here is market structure and time frame alignment. The market structure means the direction of the market, which is bearish. Time frame alignment means two time frames saying the same thing. Now, our daily is bullish. Our daily is bullish, but 4 hour is bearish. And 4 hour is already at key level of daily. What do we want to see? We want to see what? 4 hour aligning with daily. We want to see 4 hour aligning with what? Daily. It's simple. Now, for 4 hour to align with daily, someone say something. Don't waste your time. Who is that Nama Shobri? All right, so this is it. We want to see what? 4-hour shift bullish. We want to see 4-hour shift bullish. The minute we see this, we are ready to buy. It means that the market is ready to buy. All right, now let me give you an expo. Let me give you an expo for those that are very impatient. Now, if you see this, if this happens, what is it called? If this happens, what is it called? Anybody who can tell me? Who be this beggar for comment section now? Who is that beggar in comment section? There is a particular word for it. I want to see if there's anybody that can give me that word. Who is eternal structure shift 1? Okay. Eternal structure shifts. That is what. There's another word for it. Okay. See now, if you get this shift, this is what we call failure to swing low. Failure to swing low. This market is expected to break out of this structure after the pullback, but if it breaks to this upside, it is called failure to swing low. By this failure to swing low, it gives you market structure shift. Now, early buyers can come in here, but if you really want to trade with better confirmation, wait for this break, change to this upside. But if you are Sadiq, if you're a Sadiq, the minute you get a candle close above this high, you can look for your sell. You can look for your buy. If you are a Sadiq, if you know you are not a Sadiq, wait for a close above this high. But if you know you are a Sadiq, wait for a close above this high, then you buy. So I don't give an expo. If you know say you be Sadiq, buy after the close of this high. But if you are not a Sadiq, wait for a close above this high. I've given you guys this expo. Do whatever pleases you with it. If you really want a better buy confirmation, wait for a candle close above this high. That is where you should buy. Okay, but if you be Sadiq, your patience is too short. You cannot wait. You can buy after a close of this high. You know you are a what? Laugh out loud. Hey, you are a Sadiq. Guys, this is it. It's simple. After you get a candle close above this high, you can start buying. But be careful because this one can trap you. This one can trap you. But the best place to buy is after the close of this high. Because, do you see there's a key level here? Now, let me ask you guys. Do you know there is a key level here? Let's drop down to one hour where the structure will be clear. Guys, do you see this? Now, do you see why I'm telling you guys to wait for a close of this high? What do you see here on 1 hour? What do you see right here on 1 hour? Are you seeing that the structure is very clear right here on 1 hour? Are you seeing it? So this market can give you a fake buy formation here just to tap this other block. Let me show you. That's why oh God, I wish you guys know the value of what I'm giving you here. I wish you guys know. See what this market can do to you. On 4 hour, this is a buy zone. This is a self key level. Are you seeing it? So what this market can do to you is give you a buy formation here, making you think market is ready to buy. Tap this level and continue selling. Are you seeing it? That's why I will advise you not to be a Sadiq. Don't be a Sadiq. Wait for a candle close above this high. By a candle close above this high, it means that this 1 hour structure has shifted from bearish to what? Bullish. Wait for a shift. This thing is another level we call liquidity. Very soon I will start teaching you guys about liquidity, but for now I'm not going into it. So you see this level, they use it most time to trap traders. They use this level to trap most traders. So what they will do in most cases is they will come, tap this key level and zoom off. By zooming off, they've trapped those thinking market is ready to buy, not knowing that they use it to cash us. All right, guys, we are going to end it here. Let's talk. Now, if today is the first day of you coming to my life and you got value from all we just did here, all you need to do is click that follow right now, because you might not see us again on your FYP. This is one of the best community on TikTok where we take our time to do market structure and time frame alignment. What is market structure? Market structure is simply finding the direction of the market, knowing where price is coming from and where price is going to. That is market structure. Time frame alignment. What is time frame alignment? Time frame alignment simply means two time frames saying the same thing. And where do we want it? It's daily and 4 hour. We need daily and 4 hour giving us the same direction. That is what we call time frame alignment. After we find these two time frame aligning together, we can now drop down to 15 minutes to look for our entry. Guys, this thing is not difficult. It's as simple as eating loloi and ewedu. It's as simple as eating amala and ewedu. It's as simple as eating okra soup with loloi. Guys, this thing is simple. All you need is patiently wait for that key level. Once price come there, you are good. All right, so if you got value for all we did today, make sure you click on that follow, right? And also